What if I told you there's a workout that can take up to 75% of the pressure off your joints, cut joint pain nearly in half, and still help you build strength and balance? No pounding, no heavy weights, just water. And for many seniors, it's the difference between feeling stiff and sore, or moving with confidence again. Stay with me, because today I'm breaking down exactly how water exercises work, why doctors love them, and how you can start safely, even if you haven't exercised in years. Why water workouts are a game changer for seniors. Let's start with why water is so powerful. When you step into a pool, your body instantly becomes lighter. Depending on water depth, your joints can experience 75 to even 90% less stress compared to land exercise. That's huge if you're dealing with arthritis, knee pain, hip issues, or balance concerns. But here's the part many people miss: water doesn't just make things easier, it makes them more effective. Water creates resistance in every direction. Every step, every arm movement, every lift works your muscles without the strain of gravity. That's why research shows Aqua Aerobics can improve muscle strength, balance, agility, and heart health, all at the same time. And because the movements are smooth and controlled, your risk of injury is much lower. The hidden benefits beyond muscles and joints. The benefits go way beyond strength. Regular water exercise has been shown to improve balance and coordination, which helps reduce fall risk, support heart health and circulation, improve flexibility and range of motion, boost mood and reduce stress, improve sleep quality, encourage social connection in group classes. One long-term study found older adults who did aquatic exercise improved not just physical fitness, but also cognitive function. That means sharper thinking, better reaction time, and more confidence moving through daily life. For many seniors, water workouts don't just feel safer, they feel joyful. Safety first: how to exercise in water the right way. Even though water workouts are low impact, safety still comes first. Before you start, always get clearance from your doctor, especially if you have heart conditions, balance issues, or recent surgeries. Here are the most important safety basics. Choose a warm pool, ideally between 82 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid water hotter than 90 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent overheating. Wear water shoes to prevent slipping. Start in shallow water, around waist to chest deep. Never exercise alone. Take a class or bring a buddy. Stay hydrated. Even if you don't feel sweaty, listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, short of breath, or uncomfortable pain, stop. How often should seniors do aqua aerobics? Most experts recommend aiming for about 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. That could look like 30 minutes, 5 days a week, or 45 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week if you're just starting. Begin with 10 to 15 minutes and build up slowly. Progress matters more than perfection. A simple aqua aerobic structure that works. Every good water workout follows the same basic flow. Warm up, main workout, cool down. This keeps your joints safe and helps your body recover faster. Let's walk through a complete routine you can follow or recognize in most senior-friendly classes. Warm up, 5 to 10 minutes. The goal here is gentle movement and circulation. Water walking across the pool, swinging arms naturally, marching in place, lifting knees comfortably, arm circles forward and backward, gentle side steps. Move slowly. This is about waking up the body, not pushing. Main workout, 25 to 30 minutes. These exercises use water resistance to build strength and balance. You don't need special equipment, but foam dumbbells or hand webs can add challenge. Water walking or light jogging to boost heart rate. Biceps curls with palms facing up, chest pushes, pressing water forward and back, arm raises out to the sides, wall push-ups using the pool edge. Leg lifts to the side, holding the wall for balance, hamstring curls, bringing the heel toward the glutes, calf raises, lifting onto the toes, high knee lifts for balance and core strength. Flutter kicks while holding the pool edge, aim for 10 to 15 reps of each movement. Rest when needed. The water is doing the work with you. Cool down, 5 to 10 minutes. This is where your body resets. Slow walking around the pool, gentle arm and leg stretches, deep breathing while supported by the water. This helps reduce soreness and leaves you feeling relaxed instead of drained. Polo ball aqua aerobics. That's the magic of aqua aerobics, especially when you keep it simple and use a few fun tools like a polo ball. Grab a polo ball or any light water ball. Let's get into it. First, a quick reminder before we start. Always move at your own pace. Stay in chest deep water if possible, and keep your feet planted. If something doesn't feel right, skip it. This workout is about feeling good, not pushing through pain. Alright, let's warm up. We'll start with water walking. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, core gently engaged. Hold your polo ball lightly in front of you with both hands. Now walk forward across the pool, heel to toe, slow and steady. Let the water create resistance as your arms gently move with the ball. After about 30 seconds, change direction and walk backward. This is fantastic for balance and leg strength, and the ball helps you stay centered. Keep your breathing calm, in through the nose, out through the mouth. After a minute or two, stop and plant your feet. Now we're warming up the shoulders and arms. Hold the polo ball straight out in front of you, just under the surface of the water. Slowly push it down until your arms are about waist level. Then bring it back up, nice and controlled. No splashing, no rushing. Do this 10 to 12 times. This movement strengthens your shoulders and arms while being very gentle on the joints. The water does most of the work for you. Next, let's add a little rotation. Hold the ball close to your chest. Turn your upper body to the right, then back to center. Now to the left, then back to center. Imagine your torso is twisting like a towel being gently wrung out. Your hips stay mostly facing forward. This is great for your spine, posture, and everyday movements like turning to reach for something. Go side to side about 10 times each direction. Now let's work on balance and legs. Hold the ball in both hands and extend your arms slightly forward. Shift your weight onto your right leg. Slowly lift your left knee up toward the ball. Lower it back down with control. If lifting the knee is tough, just lift the foot slightly off the pool floor. That still counts. Do 8 to 10 reps on one side, then switch legs. The ball gives you a visual focus point, which helps with balance. The water supports you if you feel a little unsteady. You're doing great so far. Now we'll move into one of my favorite exercises, the water push and pull. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hold the polo ball with both hands at chest level. Push the ball straight out in front of you, fully extending your arms. Then pull it back toward your chest. As you push, feel your chest and arms working. As you pull, squeeze your shoulder blades gently together. This is excellent for upper body strength and posture. Let's do 12 to 15 slow repetitions. If you want a bit more challenge, push the ball slightly deeper into the water. The deeper it goes, the more resistance you'll feel. Now shake out your arms a bit. Roll your shoulders back and relax. Next up, we're working the core. In a safe, senior-friendly way, hold the ball out in front of you again. Feet planted firmly. Gently lift your right knee while lowering the ball toward it. They don't have to touch. Lower both back to starting position. Switch sides. This is a slow, controlled movement. Think about tightening your stomach muscles just a little as you lift. Do 8 to 10 reps per side. This helps with stability, walking confidence, and protecting your lower back. Now let's switch equipment for a moment. If you have a pool noodle, grab it. If not, you can keep using the ball. Place the noodle under your arms like you're sitting on it, or hold the ball against your chest. We're doing gentle aqua jogging. Lift one knee, then the other, like marching in place. You don't need to go fast, just stay tall and keep your movements smooth. The water supports your weight, which makes this much easier on your knees and hips than jogging on land. Do this for about 1 minute. If you want to increase intensity slightly, swing your arms through the water as you march. Now slow it down and come to a stop. Let's work on the legs a bit more. Hold the pool wall with one hand. If you need extra support, hold the polo ball in the other hand or rest it on the pool edge. Extend one leg straight out to the side, bring it back to center. This is a side leg lift and it strengthens the muscles that help prevent falls. Do 10 to 12 reps, then switch legs. Keep your toes facing forward and your movements controlled. Great job. Now let's bring the ball back into play for a fun coordination exercise. Hold the polo ball with both hands. Make small circles in the water, clockwise for 10 seconds. Then switch and go counterclockwise. Your arms, shoulders, and core are all working together here. Keep the circles smooth and steady. If small circles feel too easy, make them slightly bigger. If it feels like too much, go smaller. This is your workout, you're in charge. Now we're heading into a calming strength exercise. Hold the ball against your chest. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly push the ball down into the water until your arms are nearly straight. Pause for a second, then bring it back up as you inhale. This movement strengthens your arms and chest, and it's very relaxing when you match it with your breathing. Do 8 to 10 slow reps. Feel how the water supports you and resists you at the same time. Now let's cool things down a bit. Stand tall and hold the ball lightly. Gently swing it side to side in front of your body. Let your shoulders and arms relax. Then bring the ball overhead if comfortable, and gently stretch your arms up. Lower it back down slowly. If lifting overhead isn't comfortable, keep the ball at chest height. That's perfectly fine. Finish with a gentle hamstring stretch. Hold on to the pool wall. Extend one leg in front of you, heel on the pool floor. Lean forward slightly until you feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. Take a few deep breaths, and that's it. Simple movements, gentle resistance, real results. Consistency is the secret. Start with 2 or 3 sessions a week. Join a community class if possible, or programs that are designed specifically for older adults. Track how you feel, not just what you do. More energy, less pain, better balance. Those wins add up. Over time, many seniors notice daily tasks become easier, walking feels steadier, and confidence grows. Aqua Aerobics isn't just exercise. It's a way to stay independent, active, and confident without beating up your body. You don't need to be a swimmer. You don't need perfect joints. You just need water and a willingness to start. If this video helped you, give it a like so more seniors can find it. Subscribe for more simple, safe fitness tips for healthy aging. And let me know in the comments, have you tried water exercise before, or are you thinking about starting? Your body will thank you for it.